Why? Oh, YouTube! It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. In today's video, y'all, we're gonna be doing a one-of-a-kind custom on some of that Lane 7 hoodies that Alexa sent me. If you didn't check out that last episode on Squad Creative Podcast, I want to say probably like 2 episodes ago, we had Alexis from Lane 7, and she came on and dropped some real gems. But today we're going to be actually using Lane 7 blanks to get one of the Grizzlies done and see if I can get jiggy with it. So we're going to be using some vinyl. We may be using some super color. I might even break out some sublimation. I don't know. The sky is the limit, and you already know what's about to go on with that. But if y'all ready, let's grit. So I already got the heart that I'm going to use. For different graphics and designs like this, hit up Creative Fabrica. You guys will see that I have a link, and I've been talking about them recently. But I'm doing a mock-up design, so here's what I'm thinking in my head. All right, we got the heart big. I'm going to cut that out in red Econo Transfer vinyl. Some simple text. I don't know if I want to change this out a little bit more. I might change it out a little bit more. I'm not too sure. And here is what I originally started with. So as you can see, there's many levels, and I'm just sitting here just trying to figure out the best one that's going to work for me. Now, we're going to be using the gray. And yes, that's the heart. I definitely wanted that big. I wanted to use puff, but I was like, man, I think I might be layering. So I'm going to show you guys how to do an end cut to where the letters can actually land if that was puff. Not in this video, though. But this is a Lane 7. And in my first Lane 7 video, guys, I kept saying combed. It's not combed cotton. Actually combined cotton. I don't know why I kept saying combed. I think I seen it and then it just stuck in my head and I just kept saying it over and over and over. But it's combined cotton. My apologies, Lane 7. I am definitely feeling the hoodies. My favorite so far is the one without the drawstrings. It kind of gives you that newer look to how things are going, especially with the movement with Kanye and then Adidas and other big brands. It is what it is. And then some of that, I like to call it my Grizzly Gray from Econo. I think I'm going to place the heart like this, like down the middle. And then I have some super color. This is either going to go in the pocket. I'm thinking about putting this one either up on the hood of the jacket or on the pocket of the Lane 7 hoodie. So we'll see. All right, that's done. Okay. I know you don't love me. Cause you ain't the same when all these other t-shirt influencers around. I know you don't love me. They scream and holler whenever they're in town. I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. All right, so my temp is at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. We're gonna start doing some layering and stamping. Once again, this is a mixture of Econo Transfer vinyl and some super color, and we're gonna see what we can do. And Lane 7. Yes, sir. Guys know he kind of wheeze like butter. Really kind of forceful with it. We'll have to do it in the air. Look at that. A lot of care in the world. Yeah. This hoodie was made over 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm kind of getting ready to do something like this with that Lane 7. Gotta weed out the cavity. And I know you don't see the love in there because the love is supposed to be the heart. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna layer up that heart or not. Might make this into a couple of videos instead of just one. Sun sure is going down fast. It's not like it was. Be 8, 9, almost 12. It'd be sun outside. Ain't no daggone sun. Okay. You. All right, let's take this over to the press and see how we can situate this. So I'm going for something a little bit like this. Now this is upside down and backwards, but just so you can get a gist of it. And yeah, yes sir, that's gonna be fire. Shout out once again to Lane 7 with the double wall hoodie. They have a couple of assorted kinds, flavors, and I'm waiting on the package to do the joggers, but this is gonna come out fire. Yeah, shout out to Lane 7. Now here's where I was saying I was gonna put the super color, that red grizzly, this right here. Damn, because it's gonna go perfect with the color scheme right here. Then on the arm, I might use the grizzly bear itself. I don't think I have any of the other super color. I'll have to look. If I do, you might see the other one, which is a bigger bear face than this one. But this is gonna make its appearance somehow, some way onto that hoodie. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and slap my grizzly on there. And I do my stuff backwards, y'all. Like the screen printers do. It's a more traditional way I've taught myself how to do it. So we're gonna go ahead back up under here now. The pressure is on firm from using it previously. So it's gonna be a nice little push down, but yeah, super cut. See, I had to put my whole arm into it. So when it pop up, we should just be real ready for the peel gang. I'm gonna try to do this with my tripod in my hand. Bam! All right, we're gonna move quick. See if we can get that. Bam! Right off. Look at that. Nobody does it better. See, you can come closer than close. And original they will never will be. Moving from coast to coast. Wow, wow. I should have put some white in here to bring this out, this graphic a little bit more. So usually you can do a reverse cut, and I could have did white and then put like white in here and here and here to just bring it out a little bit more, you know, make it stand out, especially since there's white down here at the bottom. Now I'm gonna try to avoid restamping this part and get this heart together. So far this is what I got. The super color hit right there with the grizzly. I know you don't love me. I think I'm gonna accentuate this in white like I was explaining to you guys earlier. Of course, this is Lane 7, which I think I'm gonna be using from here on out to make my hoodies. You already know, double wall, super soft fleece. Yo, super duper. Might accentuate or put grizzly on the arms. I'm thinking I'm doing that, but as of right now, we're just gonna leave that as it be, as it may. Shout out once again to Lane 7. But let's close this video up. You. Alexis, what you think? I think this is straight fire. And like I said before, the inner filling fleece is great. I mean, it's very, 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 very soft. So, shout out to Lane 7. Another thing before I get to the end is, this was the other hoodie if you didn't catch that review. There is no drawstrings, literally. I think I like this. You know, very soft feeling on the inside. The cuts, the measurements is right on. They're perfect. And this also has a very soft feeling inside to the fabric, fleece. Yeah, so Lane 7, they doing their thing. Yes, sir. Now, let's officially close out the video. Yo, this has been another one of them ones. I told you guys I would be making different customs and using the blanks that I unboxed in previous videos, because these people took their time and they sent me out a box in which I love to decorate. As you guys see, I have one right now, and shout out to SP Pope. Yeah, still got it in the arsenal. But as always, y'all, break the sky with your creativity. Don't let nobody get in the way of what makes you great, what makes you you. You just have to figure out which lane is yours and run right through it. I mean, stay consistent on your grind. Shout out to Econo Transfers too as well. There's been a couple of debates, a couple of posts that I've been seeing on my interwebs, my Facebook, my Instagrams, and it's saying that the traditional way of things like vinyl on a hoodie, it's just not up to par. It's just not professional. Just know this. Sometimes it's not even about the brand or even the clothing. It's about the person that created the magical, one-of-a-kind masterpiece to begin with. So people will buy into that. Don't get caught up with he say, she say on what is and what ain't. French Terry's for some people, French Terry's not for some people. Zipper, fleece, Ultra Tech, all of that. It's your personal preference. Go with what makes you happy. What's going to ultimately help your fan base out, or the people that sought out looking for your customs to begin with. And for me, I'm really feeling this lane 7 back here. It's actually, yeah, muy bueno, like I normally would say. But y'all, this has been fun. More content coming on the way. Should I bring back lives? What do y'all think? I'm thinking about doing maybe a live to those that really want to see my live. I don't know, but if you watched it this long, make sure y'all hit the links in the description. Creative Fabrica, as you guys already know what's up with that, but the link is down there below. Go ahead and use it. Any other words? Anything from the choir or the chorus out here? Nothing? Peace.